Now I would like to talk about needs and goals. First is what is the needs and goals. Second is how needs and goals relatable with each other. So these two things is I would like to talk about now.
What is the needs? A condition or situation in which something must be supplied in order for a certain condition to be maintained. Every individual has needs. Some are innate, others are acquired needs. For example, innate needs, physical needs that are considered primary needs or motives. For example, shelter, food, water, hair, clothing. Acquired needs are needs that we learn in response to our culture or environments. For example, the need for self-esteem, prestige, affection, power, and learning. What is the goals? An observable and measurable ends result having one or more objectives to be achieved. There are two types of goals. First is generic goals. Generic goals are the general classes or categories of goals that consumers select to fulfill their needs. Second is product-specific goals. Product-specific goals are the product they select to fulfill their needs. Goal selection by individual depends on their personal experiences, physical capacity, prevailing culture norms and values, and social environment. How needs and goals relate to each other? Goals is something physical, it's an external force. A goal is something the character wants, something the character will take steps to acquire. A needs is something emotional, fulfilling the needs will of necessity, results in the character's psychological or emotional growth.
Next is the theory of customer needs. That means Maslow hierarchy. As we all know, the Maslow hierarchy is one of the pyramid. So we're going to talk about every stage of function and definition.
The first stage of pyramid is psychological needs, the most basic level of human needs. Second is safety needs. Safety needs are concerned with much more than physical safety. Third is social needs related to such things as love, affection. Fourth is egoistic needs, can take an inwards or outwards orientation or both. Last is need for self-actualization. Individual decide to fulfill his or her potential to become everything.
The second part of a theory of customer needs is a trio of needs.
The slide shows three types of needs, that is, needs for achievement, needs for realization, and needs for power. Motivation is the driving force within individual that impels them to action. The table shows clearly about motivation process. Motivation is a highly dynamic construct that is constantly changing in reaction to life experience. Needs and goals constantly growing and changing. As individuals attain their goals, they develop new ones, so the dynamic motivation helps to improve their life experience. Furthermore, substitute goals is when individual cannot attain a specific goals. The next is frustration. Failure to achieve a goal may result in frustration. The slide shows about arousal of motives. They are four. It is psychological arousal, emotional arousal, cognitive arousal, environmental arousal. This is my dream chart. This is what we call set the goals before the action.